Subscribe to our channel Basic Corner and please press the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be quite simple. A quick disclaimer, please rely on to official sources only. Do not trust every link or information you find on social media or on the internet, especially via WhatsApp. I will be linking down the most accurate sites I've found, so please go ahead and check it out to avoid any false information. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with our own DIY homemade hand sanitizer. Making your own hand sanitizer is easy to do and only requires a few ingredients. Number 1, isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. Number 2, aloe vera gel. Number 3, which is an optional ingredient, is an essential oil such as tea tree, lavender, or you can always use lemon juice instead. The key to making an effective germ-busting hand sanitizer is to stick to a 2-to-1 proportion of alcohol to aloe vera. That is, 2 portions of alcohol to 1 portion of aloe vera. This keeps the alcohol content around 60%. This is the minimum amount needed to kill most germs according to the CDC. Now, in our case, we will need 3/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 10 drops of essential oil or lemon juice. The directions are quite simple. First of all, start with a bowl, add in the rubbing alcohol, add 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, and then add the 10 drops of essential oil or lemon juice. Then mix with a spoon and mix it really well until it becomes into a gel-like consistency. Now you can pour the ingredients into an empty bottle or even into an empty soap bottle. Now, a little bit more information about why you need certain ingredients. So you will absolutely need to check the alcohol percentage because mixtures of 60% to 80% alcohol by volume kill microorganisms. So you will need a high alcohol concentration of between 60 to 95% to reliably destroy viruses. Now this concentration that we are making is high enough to break down the envelope around the virus and to denature the proteins inside it so it can't infect you. Now I have seen people using vodka and other spirits, and honestly most vodka contains about 40% alcohol, which is not nearly enough for an effective hand sanitizer. Secondly, aloe vera is a moisturizer that will stop your skin from drying out. That's useful, and also cracks in the skin can increase the risk of bacterial infection. So aloe vera is a really good one, but you can always switch it out with other things such as glycerol. Now this part I want everybody to listen. Do not click off the video, listen to it very importantly. A commercial product is much more reliable. It is very easy to mess up a DIY recipe, and many DIY recipes that are on the internet are even going to work. So please be aware mostly about the alcohol content, because you could be using a DIY hand sanitizer thinking it is working when it is actually not working and putting yourself at risk. There is no benefit to making a DIY hand sanitizer if you don't have the correct alcohol to gel carrier ratios, which is 2-to-1. So ensure you are measuring well. Also, always follow the safety instruction on whichever alcohol you use, and remember, this is only for cleaning your hands. Don't bathe in it and definitely don't drink it. Only use homemade hand sanitizers in extreme situations when hand washing isn't available, because I don't know if most of you are aware, but washing your hand is even better than using hand sanitizers. So wash those hands, girl. And of course, do not use these hand sanitizers on children's skin, as they may be more prone to use them improperly, leading to a greater risk of injury. I hope I have put out as much information and disclaimers needed, but still, if you have any questions, I will try to reply them as accurate as possible. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you guys a little bit. Do not forget to check the link below for more accurate information about what is going around the world. Please stay indoors, wash your hands, and stay safe. Till next, take care.